Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another Craftspiration Collaboration Day, but today is the Christmas in July edition 2026, and we are being joined by some of our paper sisters, and all of the links are below to the channels that have been participating this month in our Craftspiration Collaboration Christmas Edition 2026. Leslie Pico, Mermaid Cove Studios, and myself are the co-hosts, and we appreciate you coming along on this fun-filled Christmas in July this year. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, and I hope that you have enjoyed. And click, tap, subscribe, and don't miss future notifications for the crafty happenings happening on our channels. Let's get into today's project. Okay, so today I am working with an older Cartabella paper collection, and I love vintage, I love shabby, and I consider myself a shabby vintage scrapper with a bit of steampunk. And let's see here. Here we go. There is a beautiful background. And what I love about this Cartabella collection is it has some texture to it. And it's not super shiny. But let's see if I can find the name of this collection. Okay, so the collection I am working with is called Christmas. I believe that is just it. And if you're looking for it, you might be able to find it on Amazon. And it is Cartabella, and that's what I'm using today. Okay, so I have made a footed card box. This is a project that was inspired by Posh Paper Lady, and I had made one of these from her tutorial a long time ago, and thought I would make another one. And I love these little quick, these are really quick to make. I did use a kind of a medium lightweight chipboard. It wasn't from cereal box, but I cannot remember the weight of it. But I did cover the chipboard with the green cardstock. And then I used paper from the collection, 4 inches, folded it in half, glued it together. And now I have the sturdy sides to hold my cards in place. I have used one of the fussy cut journaling cards from the collection. I still had sticker elements from the collection. And I found some of this fun beaded trim that I cut apart that also had these little trucks in it. And the snowflake I cut in half. And then I have this Sizzix die set that is Christmas. So the flower comes from the die set, as well as the foliage, and all of the pieces from the die set I in green and white cardstock. And so it matches the cardstock in the background that I have, that I started with for the base. And then the page in the background had these really pretty buffalo plaid stockings. I used the holly for the interior so that the side pieces blend in. And then here is the back. And you could easily add a pocket or something else back here. And so here's how it looks. The rest of the snowflake is now a handle. And there's how it looks. I shaped the poinsettias a little bit. And I used stickles as well as pops. And so here, you know, and the feet I got from Amazon. Okay, and so here we have for the first card, it's super flat so that you can mail it. And here's how it looks on the inside with some of the cut apart elements that are in the collection. And stickers. And then we have this one here. And I've doubled matted it, and then used elements and stickers and a flower. And this one opens up this way. So you can stand it up. You can even add a photo in the middle and keep it for a keepsake and decor. And then my final little card here opens up, and then you can add a gift card to this one. There is a pocket, and I had cut something before and had this little notch, and I thought, well, that's kind of cute, so I left it. I have made 2 quick tags. And they fit here in the pocket. So you could add a gift card if you wanted to. And this was inspired by Dahlia Mandalay Crafts, Mandalay cards. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this has inspired you to get into your crafty stash and make something fun and giftable. And very handy, because you could be making cards as you're making cards for your family and friends. You could just be popping them in here, and then all you have to do is get your list and fill out your envelopes and mail them. And the trim here is from a Dollar Tree Christmas. I almost forgot to share about that. And so I keep one of these, and I cut little pieces as I want to use them for embellishments. All right, have a happy crafty day, and the links are in my description box for the Paper Sisters, and make sure you are watching everyone's videos and getting inspiration so you are ready for the holidays. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Love you bunches. This is Denise AbateSmith. I'm Treasures of the Crafty Mind, and this is my new treasure. Okay, bye for now.